here's your hydrangea, very healthy, sprawling. Okay, it's been here for a while, 10, 11 years, yeah. This is a macrophylla, and which means that it is blooming on old wood, okay? That's confusing for people. So here's the thing. If it looks like stalks of things coming up, like little sticks, it means very little pruning. So this kind, an oak leaf, a lace cap, you want to not prune them very much, okay? On the other hand, we've got the woody kind that are more like shrubs, like the limelights and the things like that. They flower on new wood. So that means that you can, take it way back in the spring and it will sprout forth. Here you already are seeing the little buds. Do you see the green?
Oh.
Okay. Now you really don't want to cut too far down. I would cut right here. Right here.
Okay.
Okay. You could also cut up here, but these may be dead right here. So that's all you want to do. Just that little itty bit.